Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforexmagicwave.com. Today is Saturday, early in the morning. So yesterday, Friday, the week ended. This week was the most dangerous week of all. And U.S. election on November 3rd. Today, Friday, the market closes. The week started on the November 2nd. And then November 3rd was the election day, and the 4th, 5th, and 6th, and the election is continuously going on. We still don't have, the final results. So it was a very, very dangerous week, but, we had to do what we had to do and, do some trading, right? So these are the trades that I took. So let me just go over with them here. So the first one was on the November 2nd. I had to be very, very careful because sometimes this day at the election day, time becomes very, very volatile and very dangerous, right? So it has to be very, very specific. So anyway, so on the November 2nd, pound CAD 20-minute, and that's the only thing I had, I think, on that day. And here comes pound Aussie 20-minute, beautiful short setup on the 3rd, November 3rd. I had quite a few trades because the voting was going on and the results didn't start to come in until late on the 3rd and then into the 4th. So on the 3rd, here the pound USD, because USD start getting as soon as this week started, the whole week USD was getting weaker and weaker and weaker and weaker. So all those pairs, they're supposed to, 4 of those pairs supposed to go up, and 3 of those are supposed to go down when the USD goes weaker, right? So pound USD is one of them, and it went up. And then here's pound yen. Yen also started getting weaker, so all yen pairs got weaker, and they went up. Pound yen, beautiful. This is the price moving along with the wave. These moving averages just above the pivot. This is like spring coiling up, right? Tightening up, and then all of a sudden it just let go and then go all the way up. So this setup is beautiful. And whenever that happens, I get a very, very nice trade. You can put the pending order, either just sell stop here or buy stop here, and that's about it. Anyway, so here's Euro Aussie 20-minute on the 3rd again, 29 for 90 pip, nice short here, and gone all the way down to 63.50. And there's another one on, well, not on the 3rd, the 4th. I decided not to touch the market, to forget about it. I made an entry, a couple of them. This was, if you see, the entry was it's late on the 4th, but come going into the 5th, and boom, I took it because it was a very, very nice setup here. Euro USD, and like I said, the USD was getting weaker, and 4 of these pairs, like pound USD, Euro USD, Aussie USD, and New USD, they will be going up. And USD CAD, USD franc, and USD yen should be going down with the USD weakness. So that's what happened. So I found a Euro USD 20-minute on the 5th, boom, to the upside, and then again one more Aussie USD, just like I said that USD weakness, and 4 of these pairs, Euro USD, pound USD, Aussie, and New USD, they had to go up. So I found the beautiful entry here on Aussie USD and Euro USD, and these 2 trades for the 5th. And anything on the 6th, no. The Friday, as it is, very dangerous, right? On top of that, all those results coming in, and then flip flop was happening, so I decided not to touch it. The market, but enough is enough, and it was a dangerous week, and I still came out very nice and clean. Thank for this magic IV system. If you follow the system don't have any emotion involved, right? So if you apply the system mechanically, like a robot, and that's it, and keep your emotions out and your thinking out, that you should go up and this should go down. No. If you find a setup and that's it, if it's long, take it, and if it's short, take it. Proper setup with proper conditions. Obviously, the analysis was out of the window all this week, right? When something like that, election is happening, or big events, you don't have any Elliott wave or harmonic patterns, or nothing works then. Right? All of those studies just they go down the drain, and all you gotta do is just the news, right? And the setup, you just play by the book, go with the setup. And the setup and the system is, my system is that, if you lose, if you're wrong, you lose 25 pip, not more than that. But if you're right, you can get something like this, Aussie USD 120 pip, Euro USD. So if I'm wrong, for example, instead of going to the upside, it will drop, I'll lose 20 pip, and my trade will be closed, right? For example, here, if I would go short here, right, then what would happen? It would take me out, and that's it, 25. So if I lose 25 pip here, but then I tried the same, I had a long setup here, and then I took the long one, and it went my way for 135. So minus the 20 here, you see what I'm saying? This is how it is. So all in all, if you take 10 trades, 5 goes in your way, 5 go out the opposite way, you still come out with a lot of pippage, because everything goes in your way, gives you something like this. This is 20-minute chart, and this is 90 pip here, pound out. Even 7-minute chart where your SL is only 13 pip. Means you make an entry, if it goes against you, you lose 13 pip. But it goes in your way, this is how it is. This is how it works, right? Similarly here, this is from 7-minute with the 13 pip SL here, and if it went up in my way, 70 pip, I close, because the 7-minute, and then it goes and retrace, right? So after the retracement, you can take another entry from 20-minute chart and make some more pippage. So this is how it just flip-flop. And here, just like that, pound Aussie, 100 pip, right? Now here, I took this one, by the way. I took this one short, and then it went down a little bit, and I was moving. So my SL was around like 8 or 10 pip, something like that, when it got hit, right? So I said, okay, no problem. And then again, it started to drop, and then I got in. So that was 10, 100 minus the 10. You got the math, right? Okay, that's it. So this is how it was. Similarly, like this one, my SL never got hit. I made an entry here. I held it nicely, and it went up, and then it started dropping, and then 90 pip, nice and clean. So this is how it is, this system. And if you want to get it, you want to be a part of it, and so go on my website. This is my address, myforexmagicweb.com, and you can subscribe. And if you need to learn from A to Z, all the whole Forex, I have online course over there as well, so you can look into that if you need to. So this is it for now, and hopefully we still don't have president here, so things are very intense. Trump is very angry, and I don't know what's gonna happen, but yeah, obviously he had to go. Now he have to go, and one way or the other, it doesn't matter what he does, but his time is over now, so he need to go. And next week will be very, very interesting. Okay, and not knowing that which way we're gonna go, and then I have to be very vigilant, and I will look into the market and then make a video about the direction of each and every pair, and see what happens. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a very wonderful weekend.